Full hotel name Hotel da Baixa. Video title, Can't Take Your Eyes Off It. Discovering Lisbon's Center with Hotel da Baixa. Welcome to World Hotel Reviews, I'm Rebecca. Have you hit subscribe and like yet? This channel runs thanks to your support. Let's get started. Today's feature is Hotel da Baixa. Located in the heart of Lisbon's historic downtown, Baixa Pombalina. With its colorful, classic facade, it instantly catches the eye. The location is incredibly convenient. Just steps from metro stations and main avenues. Avenida da Liberdade, Rossio Square, and São Jorge Castle are all within a 5-minute walk. Perfect for travelers planning a packed sightseeing route. This is a 4-star hotel, with room rates averaging around $174, approximately $160 per night. The exterior blends tradition and modern elegance. Inside, the rooms are bright and simple, providing a sense of calm from the moment you enter. There's a cozy lounge area near the lobby, and the front desk operates 24 hours, making late check-ins hassle-free. Room types range from standard to deluxe and city view options. Even the basic rooms offer 1820, which is reasonable for a European city hotel. Each room includes air conditioning, flat-screen TV, clean private bathroom, and free Wi-Fi. Many guests highlight the soundproof windows that keep the rooms quiet even at night. The hotel offers a buffet breakfast with fresh bread, cheese, fruit, coffee, and more. Reviews often mention that the breakfast quality is excellent. If you value a neat and relaxing morning space, this place delivers. Here's a quick summary from Google Maps reviews. Unbeatable location right in the action. Easy access to top restaurants and sites. High facility satisfaction. Rooms are small but spotless, breakfast is great. Quiet environment with no noise complaints from guests, though a few noted that street-facing rooms might catch occasional sounds. If you're sensitive to noise, opt for a higher floor or city view room. Why Hotel da Baixa stands out. Major attractions within walking distance. Easy access to metro and trams. Clean, simple facilities with breakfast included. Good price to quality ratio and strong reviews. Things to keep in mind. Room sizes vary by type. Some street noise in lower rooms. Consider upgrading for peace and quiet. Best for first-time visitors to Lisbon. Travelers who love walking and exploring. Those looking for a solid, clean hotel at a reasonable price. Not ideal for travelers who plan to spend long hours in their room. Those seeking ultra-luxurious hotel features. You can find Hotel da Baixa easily on Agoda. Just copy and paste the hotel name into the link in the video description or comments. Thanks again, I'm Rebecca. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next hotel review.